Hello everyone, welcome to Canadian Desi Chef, and today we are making Mangalorean fish curry. In this video I'll be sharing with you all super tasty recipe and some interesting facts related to the cuisine and the star ingredient in this recipe. So please watch this video till end. This recipe is dedicated to my dear friend Sonika Narula, as she simply loves fish. On her special demand, I have come up with this video. I would like to give her all the credit as she was the driving source behind the creation of this video. Thank you so much, Sonika Di. So let's start making it. Firstly, dry roast all whole spices on a medium to low flame. This is really important step, and you need to be very careful while continuously stirring it, as you don't want to burn or over roast, as that leads your curry to be bitter. Just lightly roast it so their oils can be released. Once slightly golden brown, take it out on a plate and allow it to cool. Here, representing the star ingredient of this dish, Bayadgi chilies. I will be sharing more information on this chilies shortly. I have used some regular dry chili as well to make it more spicy. If you want your dish to be mild, then omit regular chilies. Roast them to give some color. Remember, again, you don't want to burn it. It should be nice and brittle once cooled down. Now in the same pan, add roughly chopped ginger, garlic, followed by onions, and saute it until onion becomes translucent or pinkish in color. Mangalore is a coastal city in India which is situated in the state of Karnataka. Mangalorean cuisine is known for their fish recipes, distinct flavor, and unique combinations. Mangalorean cuisine, to some extent, inspired by the mixed culture that constitute the population of the city. In general, recipes are quite spicy, and fresh coconut is an integral part of this cuisine. Epicures believe that fresh coconut, chilies, and Mangalorean minds create culinary magic. This cuisine promises to tickle your taste buds with a variety of dishes. Now it's time to blend everything together with other mentioned ingredients into a fine paste. So recipe calls for coconut milk 1 cup. I was in the middle of the shoot and then I realized that I ran out of coconut milk. But I was extremely excited to share this recipe with you, so I chose to go forward and make this delicious fish curry. And I'm substituting it with fresh coconut, which is not going to impact the flavor. Probably gravy will be a little bit grainy. Time to marinate fish. Here you can use any mild fish like basa, kingfish, but not the ones like salmon or mackerel, which has a strong flavor. Sprinkle it with a little bit of salt and turmeric. Cut it into portions, cover and refrigerate. Heat up a pan and add coconut oil. Then add ground masala to the pan and cook it until oil separates from the curry. Before giving information on the star ingredient of this recipe, I quickly explain you what is Scoville scale. In a simple language, it's a tool to measure the pungency or the spiciness of any pepper, chili, or any other hot food, where higher the number signifies strong or spicy and lower the number signifies sweeter taste or mild in flavor. Bayadgi chili is famous variety of chili mainly grown in India, state of Karnataka. It is named after the town Bayadgi. It is the second most popular chili in India. Another name for it is Kadhi chili, which means stick-like. Bayadki chilies are shriveled pointed and it's rockingly aesthetically red. It adds depth, complexity and richness to a dish. It's an aromatic sweet chili, Scoville scale 50,000 to 1 lakh SHU, which stands for Scoville Heat Unit. You can easily find it online or any specialty store. But in case you couldn't find it, then use cayenne pepper powder as a substitute and double the quantity of Bayadki chili, as cayenne is measured 30,000 to 50,000 on Scoville scale unit. Do not use Kashmiri red chili at all. It is way too sweet. Add water to adjust consistency. Add salt and seasoning. Taste to adjust seasoning if required. Then add marinated fish to the pan and let it cook for 5 minutes. Turn off the heat and let it absorb all the flavor. This super tasty dish is one of my favorites as I love fish curry. But I just don't like it fishy smell. So every time I cook, it should be abundant in flavors and perfectly cooked and steeped in the curry for at least 6 to 8 hours before eating it, so that it can absorb all the essence from the rich gravy and unite as one. Try it out. If you like my recipe and effort, then please do like my channel and subscribe it so that I can keep up the good work. Please comment if you like my video and where I can improve. It motivates me to deliver better work every time. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. We'll bring new recipes soon. Till then, keep learning and help others to learn. Bye bye. Take care.